We will be taking apart the 450 today. It's a '06 Suzuki RMZ 450. Having some issues with it. Spraying coolant out of the overflow at wide open throttle. And it overheats. So we're going to tear it down. And if y'all haven't seen my previous build, which is on Instagram, little 85, so we got some work to do, but it's in tip-top shape. And then there's the China build. Not really going to do anything, just clean it up and freshen up that tire. Finally able to get this bolt off. As you can see, it's all tore to shit. Where the oil strainer is, and I have all this bullshit, metal shavings and trash. So the head's definitely got to come off. I did. So, last night I finished tearing apart the head on this 450. I didn't get any of it filmed because my battery died in the GoPro. But here's what we found. So we got some pre-detonation on the piston. We're actually missing a ring on the piston, so that's no bueno. I found the gasket leak that I thought was going on. Cylinder wall looks to be alright. So, other than that, we're gonna just clean things up a little bit. I got a top end kit being ordered, so whenever that comes in, we'll keep you posted.